Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how to make my taco meatloaf dinner. Anyway, you're going to get a pound of hamburger and 1 egg, or you can make a pound of turkey, it's up to you. You're going to get a 1/3 cup of seasoning blend from Pig Sweet, which is onions, bell peppers, parsley, and celery. Then you're going to grab a packet of gluten-free taco seasoning and throw it in, just like that. I've also added a 1/2 cup of gluten-free breadcrumbs. And I added 3 tablespoons of sugar-free ketchup, just like this. And then I'm going to add, you don't have to do this, this is optional, I added some diced jalapenos in it. I would have added more, but I didn't have what you're seeing that's on it. That's all I had. And I'm also going to mix that into the meatloaf with the onions. I hadn't added them yet, so. And I also added some more salt and pepper, and then I made meatballs like you see here, and I fried them up. I fried them low and slow. After they were done, I added some Kobe Jack, just like that. And after it melted, I added some sour cream and some mild taco sauce on each one. On the side, I have cheesy gluten-free mashed potatoes and, of course, my Brussels sprouts that I love. A lot of people don't like them, but I adore Brussels sprouts, guys. But that was my taco meatloaf dinner. I hope you try it. It's really good. I think a lot of you will enjoy it. Thank you. I love you all. Hey, do me a favor, subscribe to my channel and make sure you have that notification bell ring. Like it, and please share me out. I appreciate it. And comment. I enjoy the comments. I love you all. Bye.